Just one thing that can help you guys as well a lot is like when you just find your own pattern and you like it and you just going into it. Even myself, I have done that myself not long time ago as well. So just take one of your trades and say, okay, this was my entry without any drawings. You just don't show any drawings of your own patterns. And you show this was my specific entry. Tell me what you see. So just ask to other people, what do they see? Yeah. Without showing them the whole structure that you see, without showing me that there's three aces, how you call it, or symmetrical triangles or any drawings or anything like that. You said, okay, Danny, I took an entry here. What do you see? That will help you a lot to actually to be able to understand as well if there is something else that you actually was not aware of, something new, something that, okay, people will say, I will not take the trade here, I will take after this, my entry is actually after this, my entries are before this, I will take a short here. Yeah, all other people will talk to you about other things. Then you start to learn what is around your entry without telling, this is my entry because this and that. That will work a lot. But be aware of that first. Be convinced on your entry. Do not actually change it or you actually agree with it. And then ask to other people and see what they say. And that will help you a lot. That's where you got this the community to help in those aspects. So just ask this question and it will help a lot.